In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp that is not working. First, let's check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for WhatsApp to function properly. Look at the icons in the top corner of your device. Are you connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data? You might see a Wi-Fi symbol or signal bars. If these indicators are weak or absent, that's likely the issue. To test your connection, try opening a browser or another app that requires the internet. If those don't work, you may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi or switch to a mobile network. Ensuring a solid connection is the first step to resolving your WhatsApp issues. Next, turn airplane mode off. Sometimes this feature can be accidentally turned on, cutting off all network connections. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings menu. Look for the airplane icon. If it's highlighted, tap it to disable airplane mode. This will restore your internet connection and allow WhatsApp to reconnect. This simple action often resolves connectivity issues quickly. After that, restart your phone. Restarting can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting WhatsApp. To do this, hold down the power button until you see the power options. Select restart or reboot. Your phone will turn off and back on. This refreshes the system and can fix various problems. Taking a moment to restart your device can save you a lot of hassle later. Now let's update WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for performance and security. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and tap on the app when it appears. If there's an update button, tap it. This will download and install the latest version of WhatsApp. Regular updates often fix bugs and enhance app functionality. From there, check your phone's software for updates if needed. It's possible that your device software is outdated, which could affect app performance. Go to your device's settings and look for software update or system update. If there's an available update, follow the prompts to download and install it. Keeping your phone's software current is essential for optimal app performance. Next, clear the WhatsApp cache. This action can help resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Go to your device's settings, then tap on Apps, scroll down and select WhatsApp. Next, tap on Storage, then choose Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without deleting your messages or media. Clearing the cache can often make your app run smoother. Now let's ensure WhatsApp has the required permissions. Sometimes permissions might not be correctly set, which can cause the app to malfunction. Go back to Settings and tap on Apps, find and select WhatsApp. Next, look for permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are enabled, especially for storage and contacts. This step is important because it ensures WhatsApp can function fully. Finally, if the problem continues, contact WhatsApp support. They can provide tailored assistance for your specific issue. Visit the WhatsApp website for support options or use the app to access help. They have resources and a support team ready to assist you. Reaching out for help is a good step if the issue persists after trying everything else. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing WhatsApp. Each action plays a vital role in troubleshooting effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.